Okay, right. Hi guys. So we've just been to the town doing a little bit of shopping. And the first place we went, well, that I liked, was Lush. And we got some Super Mario Galaxy Lumas. These are like shower jellies that you put in your shower that are jelly. So it's jelly for your shower and then, oh, that smells really nice. And there's little Lumas in it. And they're jelly as well. Mum, have a smell. Yes. Shout out to my mum who's filming this for me. And then we went to McDonald's at the end of our trip and we got a Yoshi toy from the Happy Meal and then we found this one in our car. Before we went to Lush, we got this Signs of the Road leaflet of some random guy in the town. If that guy's watching this, shout out to the guy who gave me that. And one of the last bits of shopping we did, we got the Spy-X family blind bag. I got Lloyd Forger. There's 2 secrets. There's Lloyd, Anya, Yor, Bond, Yuri, Briar, Anya again, Fiona Frost, Damien and Donovan, and then the 2 secrets. And I got Lloyd. And I do really like Lloyd. So yeah, I'm going to put Lloyd back in his bag. But then, okay, right, so here's a closer up look at Lloyd. It's a bag charm. The back of the side of him, back of him, or the side of him. So yeah, he's from Spy-X family. Really good anime. Really, really good. And then let's get on to our snacks. So there was this Korean Japanese convenience store and we're going to be trying most of these snacks. There's these mochi, grape mochi things. Yeah, so pretty nice. I have had one. These little grape mochi. They're just like little squishy pellet things, Mum. There's the mochi. You can definitely taste the grape in it. You can taste the grape in it. Really nice. I would say solid 7 out of 10, I think.
I agree.
It's not extremely good, but not bad either.
Tasty.
Nice treat. Definitely little treat for anybody. Oh yeah, that was really nice. And then next, Pokemon Cosico corn chips. There was loads of different flavours. Personally, I like the corn ones. Well, I haven't tried them. Oh, I don't think. Oh. So apparently you're supposed to open them like this. Alright, so. Oh. Smells pretty nice. There's yours. Definitely smells good. They're alright.
I quite like them. Apart from the really tasty sweet corn.
I would just 6 out of 10.
5.
5.5. They're alright. We will make another video when we cook this Japanese udon we got. We will do that, or we might do that at the end, I don't know. But next thing we got, which we're trying, these capybara strawberry gummy things. Now what I'm trying to figure out, how do I open this? You trying to open it? Okay, right, so we're back. We've got the scissors. My mum told me a trick. I'll show you that in a minute. But number 1, we don't really like those corn chips.
No.
I give them like a 2 out of 10.
Yeah, same.
Don't buy them. Unless you like sweet corn a lot. So you cut just above this little like thick line here, apparently, and then it's like one of those resealable bags. Resealable bag. Okay, right. These I've tried the lemon ones at my neighbour's. Smell really nice. Amazing. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, nice.
Try these. These capybara juice gummies. Here's the packaging. Pretty simple, but really good as well. And here's the actual gummy. Small, but great. I really like those.
Nice.
Right. So next, our mochi. I think this is salted caramel mochi. Right, ma'am, there's your mochi. So, we're trying mochi. This is my first time. Oh, very powdery. Very soft. Definitely salted caramel. Nice.
Tastes a bit like coffee. Nice.
And then this is my mochi of it, some of it. But definitely nice. Not the best snack ever. I would say I give it a 6.7. Now don't you dare say 6.7. Okay, right, so our last thing, we need to go get a drink because this is watermelon lemonade. So I'll go get that, you just wait there. Okay, right guys, I'm back. And I got the Coca-Cola glasses from Home Bargains. Very good glasses, we got 7 of them. But yeah, that's a drink alright. I will show you the packaging in the end. Oh, is that gonna fit? Yeah, it'll fit. Okay, right. Let's try water. It's really good. Mom, you have to try that. 10 out of 10. Buy this. Waterade. Nice packaging.
It is nice, very sweet.
Nice packaging. Very sweet, very watermelony, and also very great. Lovely, vibrant red colour as well. That is really nice. My 2 favourites is actually I've got 3. The watermelon, that one, and that. The mochi and the Pikachu, because it's not so much. But these 3 are amazing. And I'm sure the udon are as well. So we will release a video on the udon soon. And the Lumas smell amazing. Go to Lush, get the Lumas. Just in case you're wondering, ours was made by Anna. And then it's the Lumas, and the inside. I don't know if I'm turning it the right way or not. No, please open that. Okay, right. So, there we go. Lumas look great and smell great. Smell really good. Lumas, yes, great. So go to Lush, go to the town, go to Lush, get the Lumas. Go to Be More Geek and get one of these if you like Spikes Family. And then go to the Korean convenience store. Get these, and these. If you want to get other things, then get it. Your opinion. But my opinion, these three are really good. And I will try the udon soon. I'll release a video on that. So bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and like. Well, you don't have to, but hopefully you do. Thank you. Bye.